imported a texture into UEFN and after setting up the material, you have this weird little white outline around your image. Although your image don't have a white outline, there is an easy fix for this. Simply click on your material, go to the left-hand panel under Details and search for Clip. Just type in Clip into the search, and then you will have a feature called Opacity Mask Clip. Adjust this as you need. I usually put mine on 0.3, but as per your image, you will have to adjust it until the little white line disappears. So as you can see, as I'm pushing up the value, the little white outline gets thinner and thinner on the edges. In a sense, we are clipping the image. All right, so you can see there it's getting better and better. And as you clip it up more and more, the white edges will disappear. All right, so if you imported an image which already has a white outline, like for example in your editing software you've set it up with a white outline, this isn't going to work as well because clipping is just to a certain extent. In that case, you will have to edit that image in your photo editing software. There is various software I will show you guys at the end of this video. All right, so as you can see, I'm very happy with it now. My white edges around my image has disappeared. And so then you can just go ahead and use the image now as you need in UEFN. The free software I was referencing is called Photopea. It's a free online software, very easy to use, works similar to Photoshop, and it's completely free and quick to launch every time you need it. A second software which I really love is GIMP. It is completely open source. It's even better for me than Photoshop most of the time, especially your exports are very small at high quality. So very, very nice software. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.